Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located on Old Stony Road and up for sale is this 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom house. This marvelous property flows within the contour of its expansive land space. You can enter the house by way of garage, which leads you onto the covered deck, which leads onto the main level that features a large kitchen, a formal dining room, a living room, family entertainment room, and a study or home office, as well as a bedroom for those not keen on climbing stairs. The upper floor consists of 4 bedrooms. The master bedroom is a small world unto itself, which will tempt you to other room service, especially at breakfast hour, where you can sip on your warm beverage while enjoying the combined view of the city, the mountains, and the Caribbean Sea, part of which includes the picturesque Kingston Harbor, one of the world's most beautiful natural harbors. The property is fully fenced with a 24-hour surveillance camera system and automatic gate opener. If you are a dog lover, your pet already has its kennel at the rear of the property. The land area of this house is approximately 32,154 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1.1 million or Jamaican $169.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.